Feeling overwhelmed by your daily tasks, goals, and ideas? Meet my Life Planner, your personal command center inside Notion. It's designed to bring clarity, focus, and balance to your life. Plan your day, track habits, organize projects, and stay aligned with your bigger goals, all in one simple, beautiful dashboard. Whether you're a student, creator, or entrepreneur, my Life Planner adapts to your lifestyle. Start planning smarter and take control of your life today. Let's start by adding a project. You can link your project to a life bucket, choose its status, and add a deadline if necessary. You can add tasks using this or using these, or you can just use the Quick Task button. You can add a date, set the urgency, the importance, and its state. To finish, link the task to a life bucket or a project if necessary. Everything in your life is connected. Your projects, calendar, tasks, and buckets. That's why my Life Planner brings it all together in one place. Every page works together, like a living system designed around you. Because real productivity isn't about doing more. It's about connecting what matters most. Now let's talk about time tracking. Inside my Life Planner, every task you work on can be tracked, so you know exactly where your time is going. Here's how it works. Start by checking off all your completed tasks. The time property is just your best guess at how long the task will take. The minutes property is where you put the actual time it took to complete the task. Here, you'll see a full breakdown by life bucket, project, and the total time you've tracked for your tasks. This helps you see exactly where your energy is going, whether it's personal growth, work, or creativity. Over time, you'll notice patterns and get a clearer picture of how balanced your days really are. It's not just tracking, it's awareness that helps you spend your time where it truly matters. Journaling. At the end of each week, take a few minutes to reflect on what really mattered. Here, you'll review your important tasks. But here's the key. Don't just list what you did, ask yourself, which tasks actually moved the needle? These are the ones that made real progress toward your goals. the tasks that created results, not just kept you busy. As you journal, you can update your important tasks to move the needle tasks. This helps you focus your energy on what truly drives growth. Over time, this reflection builds clarity and turns your planner into a tool for purposeful action, not just productivity.